Hi there. In this Natural Remedies Empire review, I'm going to show you a tool that can help you create and monetize natural remedy recipes using the power of AI. Stick around because I'll also walk you through all the upgrades, OTOs, so you'll know exactly what you're getting before making a decision. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Kamal, an experienced six-figure affiliate marketer with over 5 years in the industry. I make these reviews to help you find the best tools and strategies to boost your online income. If that sounds good, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell notification so you never miss an update. Oh, and before we dive in, I've got some exclusive bonuses for you if you decide to grab Natural Remedies Empire through my link below. Check the description for details. You don't want to miss them. What is Natural Remedies Empire? Natural Remedies Empire is a collection of 464 expertly crafted AI prompts that help you create natural remedy recipes like anti-inflammatory teas, detox smoothies, herbal balms, and even pet care solutions. It's designed for anyone who wants to profit from the growing natural remedies market without needing any prior expertise. What's cool about this tool? You don't need to be a herbalist or spend hours researching. These prompts guide you step by step, making it easy to craft unique, sellable remedies. Now, I want to be honest, this isn't some magic tool that's going to make you rich overnight. Natural Remedies Empire provides the resources and inspiration to help you build a business, but you'll still need to put in the effort to make it work. Here are some standout features that caught my eye. 464 prompts across 20 categories, covering everything from skincare to pet care. Bonus A. Eye illustration prompts. Generate professional visuals with tools like Mid-Journey. Monetization options. Create eBooks, blogs, courses, and more. Beginner friendly. No expertise required. Just follow the instructions. How it works. It's pretty straightforward. Step 1. Choose a prompt from the collection. Step 2. Use the prompt in ChatGPT to create a unique remedy recipe. Step 3. Polish your recipe and pair it with an AI-generated image. Step 4. Monetize your recipe by selling it as an ebook, blog content, or workshop material. No technical skills required. Just follow the training and you're good to go. Okay, let's go over and play a quick video explaining this a little bit more.
Hello and welcome by Alessandro Zamboni on behalf of Paulo Grow. Imagine being able to create natural remedies that not only help people feel better, but also look stunningly professional, without spending hours researching or hiring experts. Whether you're a health enthusiast, a busy entrepreneur, or someone passionate about the power of nature, the world of natural remedies is a billion-dollar industry waiting for you to tap into it. Introducing the 464 ChatGPT prompts for natural remedy recipes, your secret weapon for effortlessly crafting remedies that people will love. No expertise required. With this unique collection, you can create recipes for creating teas, detox smoothies, herbal balms, special remedies for pets, for kids, and many more ideas for you. Here's why you'll love it. Save time. No more hours of research. Each prompt gives you a head start with proven combinations. Boost creativity. Never run out of ideas. The prompts guide you to create remedies tailored to any need. Grow your business. Create products that your customers will rave about. Beautifully presented and effective. Enhance your customers' health. Use the remedies yourself or share them with loved ones to enjoy the healing power of nature. Don't miss your chance to transform your ideas into income or simply bring natural healing into your home. Click the button below to get instant access to the 464 ChatGPT prompts for natural remedy recipes and start creating remedies that inspire, heal, and sell. With just one click, you'll have everything you need to turn natural remedies into a passion, a business, or both. Don't wait. Start today.
Now let's talk about the upgrades. Here's what you'll see after purchasing the main product. 1. Pro Upgrade. Unlocks additional exclusive prompts and advanced features. Second, Done For You package. ready-made content to jumpstart your business. Third, video creation training. Learn how to create engaging videos for your remedies. 4. Graphics and e-covers add-on. Design stunning visuals effortlessly. 5. Reseller rights. Get 100% commissions by reselling the product. Pick the ones that make sense for your business and skip the rest. What I like and what stands out to me about Natural Remedies Empire. It's beginner-friendly and perfect for non-techies. The prompts save you hours of research and spark creativity. You can create multiple revenue streams by selling recipes or using them as content. What I don't like. While it's a great tool, it's not a replacement for deep expertise in herbalism. If you're looking to create highly advanced remedies, you might need additional knowledge. If you're looking for an affordable way to break into the natural remedies niche or just want to add some creative tools to your business, Natural Remedies Empire is worth checking out. You can grab it using my link below. And don't forget about the exclusive bonuses I've put together for you. They're waiting for you inside Warrior Plus. Thanks for watching my Natural Remedies Empire review. If you found this helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and tips. See you in the next video.